Hi Minama, how are you? Hope you're keeping fine. So today when Krishna sent me a message to talk about our memories and bondings that we had together, I think it took me way back to 2013 when we had actually met each other, and that was the first time I think I saw you as Minakshi Iyer, coordinator of RWI, and that was the year when you had become the coordinator, and I think our journey started from then. And I always remember that you told me that, Bhavna, you don't settle for anything that doesn't convince you, and I think that's the time when we both bonded with each other, understood each other, and that's how the friendship bloomed with many others around us. And I would always eat your head asking you something or the other about the RWIs. Meena, I have a lot of memories with you and the girl gang we have. Okay, so coming down to the memories is, I would say, the best night we had spent in Goa. I saw you relaxing with that Sula wine in your hand, alright, and you said, I just wanted to enjoy. The bonding which we share, I think nobody else can share with anyone. I could not find friend like you, or I would say friends like you, who made my day happier and happier each day. You taught us to be professional. That's very important. And I think what I am today is somewhere you will find 40 to 60% of yours, Meena, and me, because this is what is professional. This is what I think is, sorry for the interruption. So, this is what I have learned from you. I always looked up to you as a mentor, as a person who guided me in each frame of my life. And I cannot forget that day of mine where you have a special bond with me and my family, and I will remember that for lifelong. Talking about you and your capabilities, and I cannot find anyone I cannot find anyone up to the match of yours till today. You know, when it comes to being mentor or being a boss around, I have found that how people are so flexible and capable of talking to you, and that's what I have inbuilt in me. That I want to be, someone like you, where anybody could come and share anything. So these are my memories. I can go on and on and on and on because you hold a very special place, not only in my heart, in my family's heart, okay? Not only as a girl gang, but as someone we have always looked up to. I remember me, Poonam, Disha, Shraddha, and Vaishu, we used to feel very proud, and we still are very proud that you are one of the part of our gang. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I miss you, I would start crying now. So I wishing you a very happy birthday from me and my family. Be blessed and flourish wherever you are. Thank you. And to the girls gang, hi. I would just say one thing, Meena. I might not respond you all saying hi, hello, or how was your day, but every day I look into your messages, and that keeps me moving day by day. So thank you so much. And thanks Pooh, thanks Disha, thanks Vaishali, thanks Shraddha, and you are the best. I'm really waiting to meet you all because these 2 years have been a very good as well as very harsh time for me, but I think you all have kept me motivating, and that's very important. Thank you, and happy birthday, Meena. Happy birthday. Just be strong the way you are, and be there with your family the way you have been, and your daughter is going to flourish, and I want to see your daughter being more 200% than Meenakshi, because generations make generations, and you are a leader who has made a leader. So thank you so much.